Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by defining a measurable goal you can track and reach. Set a clear goal like 500 monthly revenue within 6 months. Next, identify your ideal customer persona and their biggest pain point. Identify one target audience segment and their primary pain point. Decide on an initial budget and timeline for testing campaigns. Allocate an initial budget of 0 and choose 3 priority channels to test. Finally, set a success metric and checkpoints every 2 weeks to review progress. Build foundational assets before you run any paid campaigns or ads. Build a simple website with a landing page and lead form to capture traffic. Create a clear value proposition and a single call to action on that page. Publish search-optimized blog posts to attract organic traffic consistently. Publish 3 pieces of SEO content weekly at about 500 words per piece to build momentum. Add an email lead magnet to convert visitors and collect addresses, aiming for 50 subscribers. Start with low daily spend and run controlled experiments across channels. Run small tests on 3 channels and measure CTR and cost per lead for each. Track metrics like 2% CTR, 5% conversion rate, and 0 cost per lead baseline. Use a /B testing to compare headlines, images, and calls to action in each ad. Double down on winning creatives and reallocate budget every 2 weeks to scale efficiently. Continue optimizing landing pages, email sequences, and content based on real user data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.